shot. Yes. Wow. I got this. I've added it to another of my collection. This is 15 Pro Max. This should be 11 Pro Max. Yes. Hey. Wow. This phone is so beautiful. I love the pouch. Once I take it to my vendor now, I will now sell it, and I know he should give me a good rate in this phone. He needs to give me a good rate in this phone.
So this man he has this kind of money. Oh my God. Dollars, I mean hard currencies. How can you have such amount of money and you decided to steal? I don't even have time. I'm going to use this to teach you a very big lesson you will never forget in your entire life. Okay, so you have this kind of money. Should I drive? I think let me just go with this money.
Because this phone is worth a good price. This plus this. Yes. My phone collection is now massive. Oh. Yes. Let me just, very soon I will go, I will sell it, and I will. You're a big boy.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have my phone?
Can you have your phone?
I mean, the phone you just snatched out of my bag. Can you give it back to me?
I snatched out a phone from your bag. Please mind the way you talk to people, eh? Just get out of here. I don't have your phone.
I think you're way older than this thing you're doing. Can I have my phone?
I'm not with your phone. I'm here waiting for my friend, eh? Can't you see I'm sitting on top of my car? What am I using your phone to do? Look at my own phone. See, can you see it? So what am I using your phone to do?
My phone has a pink pouch. It's an 11 Pro Max. Can I have it?
How is it my business? Am I a watch? Am I a security person?
Listen to me. You're the only person that was sitting here when I passed. I noticed a funny movement in my bag. You snatched my phone. Can I have it?
Mind the way you talk to people you don't know. Mind the way you accuse people you don't know. What do you mean by that? You saw me taking your phone. How?
Okay, you mean you didn't see my phone?
I did not see your phone.
Okay. You better give me my phone now because I have your money. Give me my phone. Let me return your money to you.
You have
so that
my
we
money.
can all go in peace.
I'm not with your phone. You are saying you have my money. I don't have any money. Which one you just came to me and saying your phone is in your pick patch? I should give it the phone. I'm here. I'm waiting for my friend. This is my car. Why will I have this kind of car and I will be stealing your phone? Okay, please get out from here.
Leaving, you didn't pick my phone.
I did not pick anything. Get out from here.
Give me my phone. Let me return your money so that we can all go in peace. I am the one pleading now.
I don't have any money. Go.
I am the one pleading now. In some minutes time, you will run begging, coming to me for your money, and I will not listen to you.
You should respect yourself. People are around these premises. It's better you respect yourself. So, did you see me with any phone?
Okay, you didn't see my phone.
I did not see your phone.
I'm asking you for the last time. Young man, you didn't see my phone, or you don't have my phone with you.
Just be here and be back in. Eh? Stay here and be back in.
Okay.
Do I have your time?
Okay. It will be down on you.
Get out from here!
Me. No problem.
Get out!
I should get out, right? Do not come to me!
Okay. Walk out. Yes! 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 I made it, eh? I made it. Wow. I need to change location. Before this girl will do something funny, I need to rush now and sell this phone to my vendor so that there will not be traces. Yes. You are mad. I'm mad. I just need to. Jesus. Where's my money? No, man. I left that money here. Yes, I can remember. I left the money here. Wait. That lady told me that she's with my money. Wait, how did she enter my car? Wait, are you? I kept that money here and I just came back from the bank. Hey, excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me, this girl. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, madam, excuse me, eh?
Are you mad? Why did you touch me like that? Is something wrong with you?
I was actually
You're very mad.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know why I'm talking? Why I'm calling you? See your phone. I saw it down as I was entering my car. I saw your phone. Eh? See your phone.